Today we're gonna be accepting every single DoorDash order. I need to get my acceptance rate back to 70%. Hopefully I can get it up to 100. I'm going for Top Dash. Alrighty, first order of the day dropped off. Let's see how much we got. Whoa, look at that. $17.25 shop and deliver. Let's get it. Just got my next order. We're gonna be picking up this Wendy's going $5.50 going 10 miles away. I'm mad as hell. Hey, we got $3.75 for 3 miles. Luckily, it's like a mile away. I'm a mile and a half away because that would not be acceptable. But I'm got my next order. Like we're gonna be checking in at Capriati's. Got $6.50 for 3 miles, 3 items. Let's do it. Got that Capriati's dropped off, handed it to the customer. Let's see if $6.50 changes. It is Hell Week, so might not change. That's okay though. It was a $4 tip. At least it wasn't long. We got $7.25 for 6 miles. Alrighty, got that Firehouse subs dropped off. See if $7.25 changes. Nope, not today. Order, we got $6 for 4.9 miles. Not what I like, but I gotta take it. I'm going for Top Dasher. Next order, $9.25. So what's that, 6.3 miles? Yes, sir. Order dropped off, handed it to the customer, so we're gonna go ahead and confirm that. $9.25, let's see if that goes up. It went up a little bit to $10, just like I expected. Look at that, just got a $6 add-on. Yes, sir, I'm gonna definitely take that. 8 items, okay. That order dropped off, I actually ended up handing it to the customer. Let's see how we did on that one. Order is complete. Oh, nice, add-on turned into $9.50, let's go. Next order is gonna be $14.25 for 12 items, 3 miles. Let's scoop it on up. Got that shopping done on that order, got it done in 7 minutes. So I just got paid $14.25 to shop for 7 minutes for some sodas and crap and deliver it a mile away. Let's get it. Got $8.25 for 7 miles, but it's not really 7 because take a look at that. I'm already over there. They think I'm Red Robin dropped off. Let's see how much Red Robin pays. Food is kind of expensive, but $8.25 stays $8.25. Pick up this Chipotle order, and they decided to hit me with an add-on, an additional $5.50. What's that? Yeah, an additional $5.50. I'm gonna take it. Got that order dropped off. So starting at 36%, I was able to raise my acceptance rate all the way to 49%, starting off the beginning of Hell Week with a pretty good start. Now, technically, it doesn't start until 5 days until the end of the month, but I like to get a jump start on it. And with me being in a high priority diamond area, once I get back over 50%, it's going to make it a lot easier to reach my Top Dasher goals and prepare myself for the next month. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave me a like and a subscribe. And check out this one next. This is the one YouTube thinks you should watch.